If you're tired of feeling weak, losing muscle, and just getting weaker with age, then you are going to love this video, because today, I am going to share with you a food that has more than twice the protein per kilogram than eggs. That's right, more than twice the protein per kilogram. And it's also one of the best natural remedies to fight sarcopenia, which is the medical term for age-related muscle loss. So stick around. I promise you're going to love this video. If you are new here, I'm a functional medicine provider. I'm a specialist in aging, longevity, and helping people live vibrantly. And if you're new here, please subscribe because every single day we bring you videos on immune-boosting foods, healthy diet, natural remedies, and much, much more. So let's dive into today's topic. The no. One reason why most people lose muscle as they get older is because they don't eat enough protein. Now, the recommended dietary allowance for protein is 0.8 grams per kilogram of body weight. But when it comes to building muscle and losing sarcopenia, research shows that you need between 1.2 to 2.2 grams per kilogram of body weight. So the question is, where can you get this extra protein from? Now, you may have heard about this superfood already because it's been getting a lot of attention lately. It's called lean, mean beef liver. Not only does beef liver have more than twice the protein per kilogram than eggs, it also has more than 4 times the vitamin D and 9 times the zinc. And both of these nutrients play a huge role in maintaining muscle mass and preventing sarcopenia. One study showed that older adults who took vitamin D3 33,000 IU every single day for 1 year increased their muscle strength by 54% compared to the placebo group. And another study showed that people who took zinc for 6 weeks had significant improvements in their recovery after resistance training compared to those who did take any zinc. But there is another nutrient in beef liver that is even more powerful when it comes to fighting sarcopenia, and it's called creatine. Creatine is a compound that's naturally found in muscle cells, and it helps your muscles produce energy. It's been shown that taking creatine supplements can increase muscle mass, strength, and power. In fact, in one study, young men who took creatine for 6 weeks gained almost 2 kilograms of lean muscle mass, which was almost double the amount of muscle mass that the placebo group gained. Now, what's amazing is that beef liver is one of the richest sources of creatine. In fact, 100 grams of beef liver provides approximately 1.3 grams of creatine. Now, keep in mind that most people only consume about 1 to 2 grams of creatine per day through their diet and supplements combined. So if you're not getting enough creatine from your diet, it could be contributing to your muscle loss and weakness. So how much beef liver should you be eating? Well, according to the USDA, a 3-ounce serving of beef liver provides approximately 26 grams of protein, which is equivalent to about 5.2 ounces of cooked chicken breast or 1.3 cups of skim milk. So if you're looking to boost your protein intake and prevent sarcopenia, consider adding some beef liver to your diet. It's a delicious and nutritious way to get the protein you need to stay strong and healthy as you age. You can grill it, pan-fry it, broil it, braise it. There's lots of delicious recipes you can make with beef liver. There are several nutrients in beef liver that are important for maintaining muscle mass and preventing sarcopenia. In addition to the ones I mentioned before, there are others like carnosine, glutathione, and taurine. Carnosine is a dipeptide composed of the amino acids histidine and beta-alanine. It's been shown to reduce muscle damage and inflammation, which can lead to improved muscle recovery and growth. Taurine is an amino acid that's important for many functions in the body, including regulating calcium levels, supporting muscle contraction, and maintaining hydration. Research suggests that taurine may also play a role in reducing muscle damage and inflammation, similar to carnosine. Glutathione is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect against oxidative stress and cellular damage. Muscle loss and weakness associated with aging can be accelerated by oxidative stress. So it's important to get enough antioxidants in your diet to help combat this. Beef liver is a great source of glutathione, so incorporating it into your diet may help reduce oxidative stress and support overall muscle health. You may be wondering, are there any side effects from consuming beef liver? In general, beef liver is safe for most people when consumed in moderation. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, beef liver is high in cholesterol. Although dietary cholesterol has less of an impact on blood cholesterol levels than previously thought. It's still important to monitor your cholesterol levels if you have high cholesterol or heart disease. Second, beef liver is high in iron. While iron is essential for red blood cell production and oxygen transport, too much iron can be harmful. People with certain medical conditions, such as hemochromatosis, should avoid or limit their intake of high-iron foods, like beef, liver. Third, beef liver is high in vitamin A. Vitamin A is important for vision, immune function, and cell growth, but too much vitamin A can be toxic. People who consume large amounts of liver or liver products should be monitored for signs of vitamin A toxicity, which include headaches, nausea, blurred vision, and dry skin. Finally, beef liver can interact with certain medications, including blood thinners and diabetes medications. If you take any medications, talk to your doctor before adding beef liver to your diet. Well, thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and we'll be happy to answer them. Please like and share for more great health tips. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.
Have you ever heard of someone saying, "I wish I could turn back the clock and take care of my body like I did when I was younger"? You might have said this yourself. Taking care of your body when you're young is important, but it's never too late to start. Today, we'll be sharing a recipe that will help rebuild your knee cartilage. But before we go further, if you're new here and you're looking for more health-related videos, click the subscribe button to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you find our videos helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button. As you age, your joints may begin to show some wear and tear. This is especially true of your knees, which support your entire body weight as you move through the world. Over time, this stress can cause the cartilage in your knees to break down, leading to pain and inflammation. Fortunately, there are certain things you can do to help rebuild cartilage and keep your knees feeling their best. One of the most effective strategies is to consume cartilage-supporting nutrients. These nutrients can help repair damaged cartilage and reduce inflammation in the joints. When it comes to rebuilding cartilage, not all nutrients are created equal. Some of the most important include glucosamine, chondroitin, vitamin D, and omega-3 fatty acids. Glucosamine and chondroitin are two of the most popular supplements for repairing damaged cartilage. Vitamin D is essential for maintaining strong bones and healthy joints, while omega-3 south can help reduce inflammation throughout the body. All of these nutrients can be found in a variety of foods, making it relatively easy to incorporate them into your diet. Now, let's talk about how you can use these nutrients to rebuild your knee cartilage fast. The first step is to start eating foods that are rich in cartilage-supporting nutrients. Some excellent options include shellfish, like clams, oysters, and mussels, as well as fatty fish like salmon and sardines. These foods are all high in glucosamine, chondroitin, and omega-3 south, making them ideal for supporting joint health. Additionally, they contain antioxidants and other nutrients that can help reduce inflammation and promote overall joint health. Another great way to boost your intake of these important nutrients is to supplement with a high-quality multivitamin. Look for a supplement that contains at least 1,000 milligrams of glucosamine, 800 milligrams of chondroitin, and 1,000 IU of vitamin D3. Additionally, you may want to consider taking an omega-3 supplement, especially if you don't eat fish or shellfish regularly. In addition to making dietary changes, you can also try applying heat or cold to your knees to help reduce inflammation and pain. Applying heat can help increase blood flow to the area and promote healing, while cold can help numb the joint and reduce swelling. You can also try over-the-counter pain relievers such as ibuprofen or acetaminophen to help manage pain and inflammation. However, it's important to keep in mind that no one food or drink can work miracles for your joint health. While the recipe we're about to share can be a helpful addition to a well-balanced diet, it's not a substitute for a healthy lifestyle. In general, it's important to maintain a healthy weight, exercise regularly, and eat a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein sources. So what should you be drinking to help rebuild your knee cartilage? The answer is bone broth. Bone broth is a rich source of collagen, which is a protein that plays a key role in maintaining strong bones and healthy joints. It also contains glucosamine and chondroitin, two nutrients that are essential for cartilage health. To make bone broth, simply simmer the bones and connective tissue of any animal, including chicken, beef, or fish in water for several hours. The resulting broth will be rich in collagen, glucosamine, chondroitin, and other nutrients that can help improve joint health. In addition to bone broth, you can also try drinking other liquids that contain cartilage-supporting nutrients. For example, you can make a smoothie with shellfish, such as clams or oysters. Or you can mix fish oil or a plant-based omega-3 supplement into your food. We understand that taking care of your body can be challenging, but it's essential for living a healthy and active life. By following the tips we've outlined in this video, you can help rebuild your knee cartilage and reduce your risk of developing joint problems down the road. Remember, it's never too late to start taking care of yourself, so why not start today? Thank you for watching this video. Please share it with your friends if you think it will help them. Stay healthy.